Welcome to Olympia Falls, a vibrant and growing community located in Fort Bend, Texas. This beautiful subdivision offers residents a unique and exceptional quality of life with a range of amenities that make it the perfect place to call home. Hey, it's Lauren with Lauren Talks Home, and let's check out this neighborhood today. At the heart of the community is a magnificent park, complete with a playground, splash pad, and shade structure. Children and families can enjoy endless hours of fun and play under the sun while neighbors come together to create lasting memories. Olympia Falls is also conveniently located near major highways and roads, making it easy to get to where you want to go. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, you'll enjoy quick and effortless access to Fort Bend Parkway Toll Road, South Highway 6, and Sam Houston Toll Road, and I-69. This community is also zoned for some of the highest rated schools in Fort Bend ISD, with all schools less than 5 miles away. This makes it the perfect place for your kiddos, if you have any. When it comes to shopping and entertainment, you won't have to go far with Riverstone Shopping Center, Missouri City Shopping Center, First Colony Mall, and Pearland Town Center just a stone's throw away. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. And for those who love to work and play, Olympia Falls is just a short drive from the Sugar Land Industrial Park, the Galleria area, and Texas Medical Center. You can also enjoy access to local recreation at Quail Valley Golf Course, Kitty Hollow Park, and Sky Zone Trampoline Park. My kiddos used to love that. So why wait? Come discover the unique and exceptional lifestyle of Olympia Falls today.